Pronunciation of English vowel sounds. Lesson 3. Back vowels. Part 2. Exercise. Answer the questions. 1. Say could and code. Which vowel sound is longer? The O in code is longer. Listen again. Could, code. 2. Say foot and flute. Which vowel sound is longer? The oo in flute is longer. Listen again. Foot, flute. Oo. 3. Say soup and saw. For which vowel sound is your mouth more open? Your mouth is more open for the aw in saw. Again, soup, saw. 4. Say dog and doe. For which vowel sound is your mouth more open? Your mouth is more open for the aw in dog. Again, dog, doe. 5. Say go and good. For which vowel sound is your mouth more tense and your lips are more rounded? Your mouth should be more tense and your lips should be more rounded for the O in go. Again, go, good. For back vowels, remember to round your lips, but note these sounds are more tense. Oo, o. These sounds are more relaxed. Ah. Move your tongue backward for all of these sounds, but keep the very tip of your tongue down near the back of your bottom front teeth. The highest point is in the back. Also, open your mouth more as you say these back vowels in this sequence. Oo, o, ah. Note, short vowel sounds are ah. Long vowel sounds are oo, o. Let's go through our back vowel sounds one more time. Oo, o, ah. Oo, o, ah. Boot, book, boat, bought. While making this lesson, I found these 3 sources to be very helpful. I think you'll find them useful too. Additional practice for this lesson is available at EnglishCafe.com. My username is JenniferESL. Follow the direct link listed in the video description. Well, that's all for this lesson. Thanks for watching and happy studies!